Are we live? I need to check if we are live. Yes. We are live. Chrome. Let's go with the Google Chrome and Twitter and post it. Okay. So the music is in the background. I know some people are very angry listening to this kind of music. It's like, hitting them with a stick. But I don't care. So perhaps I could. No, desktop audio is very low. So economic calendar. Today is Friday, 15th May. Mainland China has something probably later today. President Trump and President Xi summit. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Okay, yesterday there was something. Yeah, already you can see on Twitter many news like that, like many edited AI generated videos about President Trump and President Xi. I haven't watched the real videos, but I think that it's going to be interesting to do. So let's look at charts. So still using TradingView. Okay, let's use it. So I was considering yesterday entering additional position over there, but I haven't. It was, so I had a feeling that this is going to be good, just because this position went in my direction. So right now, this is like 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. It's already going. The position is ongoing since. Sorry, I have to set another alert. Position is ongoing since. Okay, 6 days already? No, impossible. I'm not holding this position 6 days already. So, if that's the case, then I need to make a move, and I need to make it right now. But what's concerning, we see this resistance kind of line, and I think that this could be the end of the impulse. So I guess taking a profit over there might be a nice way. I'm taking a profit. Yeah. So this is this is how I make the move right now on my broker account, and they are not going to be able to block me or just tell me that I was not doing any kind of move. So this is over. Unfortunately, I cut it over there. Reason for that is this line, and also a need or desire to make a move on my account. Well, good. Let's scan the market quickly. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a interesting position right now, or interesting place, where I think it should go lower. Therefore, this draft of a position or like stop loss and take profit placement, and I really think so that we're gonna see Bitcoin falling lower. Let's get rid of that. Now it's a crucial place. This is a 61.8 retracement. Prices moving within that range. You can see that the price has a slight tendency to fall compared to this 82,000, 82.8. I'm hungry. I was at McDonald's yesterday, thanks to my daughter, because she wanted to be there. There was no other option. She gave me an ultimatum, so either I cook or bake a pie for her, or we go to McDonald's. It was already late, but good. 61.8. Price is being pushed. Well, that's not an obvious play to me. No way. That's an obvious play. Like, is it easy to short Bitcoin? I don't know. Damn. Nasdaq. Higher highs on Nasdaq. Would you try keep longing it? Or would you rather wait for something? are there any signs that this is going to go lower at this point? No, it's the prediction, predicting the future. UK oil, US oil. I'm really hungry for some reason. Cannot focus. Okay. So it wasn't very successful or very impulsive trade, but as you could see, the CHF was better. I have a feeling that this whole trading stuff is boring, you know? But when things get boring, this is when they can also get excited. Never mind. But so, haters. I'm a hater. I'm a self-hater. I'm a self-hater. Good. I'm sweating. Like this means like somebody is watching me. And I wouldn't like that person to even interact with me. That's interesting. If you are watching right now, please do interact. S&P 500. So S&P 500 is also making new highs, not only Nasdaq. German 40 still it tries to reach higher highs, but it can't. So German 40 became a real indicator of a state of the global economy. We are in a consolidation. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Yeah. $61.8. No. Gold. Silver. Potentially some fib setup is forming. Perhaps even a good one. I'm talking about long. But that would be risky because, you know, silver requires a big lot sizes. Silver is the trade on a 50-minute. Yes. If I'm gonna see some kind of like reversal happening over there, which is already happening, but I'm gonna need to see something like that, for example. Then I'm gonna, or at least something like that. Then I'm gonna probably enter if it stays in the area. UK 100 Okay, this could be nice, long on a swing. The question is, no, this previous highs, it's not a good piece of structure. It would indicate we are in some kind of consolidation. Palladium is falling. Not a good sign. Because the metals are following palladium. Like, palladium is easier to push, probably. It has less volume, some, like, compared to gold and silver. And you can quite see, like, earlier what the market is going to do. So if you observe palladium, and GBP USD, I told you, see, 61.8. It only worked afterwards, because over there was 61.8. I wanted to short it for some reason. I don't know what reason. I cannot recall that reason. Probably would have to go back. Okay, I'm gonna have to leave now. Be right back. I just baked the bread and it's ready, but it has to cool down a little bit. And then I'm gonna have a breakfast. But let's look at the markets. Let's scan the markets a little bit. Today's Friday. And I have to make a move for the weekend, probably. Let's reverse the analysis. Let's do it down to top. Like, if there's something interesting, right now. I'm gonna look if there's some like fib that has formed currently. USD cans. CHF JPY. It should keep falling, in my opinion. CHF JPY. For 1 CHF, we're gonna get less, so JPY should be strengthening. Why? Oh. Got JPY instead of USD. USD JPY. USD CHF. Well, I have to change my approach. I'm gonna do top to down, not down to top. After seeing okay, here's 50, here's 61. Okay. Euro JPY. For 1 euro, we're gonna get less JPY. That's interesting. Well, do you think we're gonna see another leg down? It would be unexpected, to say at least. But it does look like it wants to fall down. Like perhaps I'm gonna enter like this small, like 1 to 5, or 1 to 3, like 1.3 maybe. But this stop loss is too wide. It's not looking good to me, at least. CHF JPY. Euro JPY looks like it could move better. EuroCAD. Look. 61.8. Continuation of a trend. And right now 61.8 over there. So it's $50. Yes. Yes. I really think we might see troubles over there. Strong 61.8. Sign of reversal over there. See, this is a good fib. Yes, but this could give a reversal towards, if I may say, towards where? Towards 29.2. So there is this important level. This is what I mean. You could see something like that. And then it could reverse. Quite possible. For €1 we're gonna get more Canadian dollar. This is empty already. Jesus. I don't like the market nowadays. Even less. Oh, sorry. I don't have the energy to live stream, but it doesn't matter. It's just for the sake of me studying, not for entertainment. And this music is not helping. But my cats enjoy this music. ADGHF. Untradeable. Good. Let's not take too much time. Okay. What do we have? Nasdaq. Let's focus on stuff that we can control and not what we cannot control. So there's a 50. That was 61.8. I think that it might be a good idea to risk a little bit, like 1-to-1. Okay, 1-to-2 ratio, and it should be fine because I don't have much time. And I think, yes, this is what we can do. It might bounce from 50 and then might go higher, but based on that one, that it was perfect 61.8, and based on that it was a bounce from 50, then I expect it to fall a little bit lower and also this structure over there. This is a high, it's a higher high. It's not much higher than this one, so structure is breaking down. And also you can see on RSI a tendency for a fall. So yes, I think I'm entering this, and that's it for now. We don't have a time to focus on stuff like that forever. I do have to study some different things today. Stop loss, was it stop level? Yes. Damn, this is too much. This is too much. Take profit. Okay. No, I don't like this. So we have to limit that. Okay. Good. We're gonna do that. And I don't care if I lose or not. Okay. Sell the market. Again, stop level. Again, profit level. Okay, and let's sell the market over there. It's very risky, but I'm doing this anyway. It's only risky due to my very narrow stop loss. So, but it's Friday, we have to make a move for the broker. And I think that technically this is also not that bad. Although, yes, RSI is gaining strength. It might be a quick loss. But I have to focus on different stuff as well. Or do we want to enter another position as well? Euro JPY. These are some blitzkrieg kind of trades if you really focus. No, I don't feel confident enough or like bright in my head or clear in my head to enter more positions right now. Minute. I'm just gonna post it and share it on my Twitter. Intent. Yes, and that's it. Good. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. I really have to study right now, so take care. Bye.